Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lobster with paper. First, gather your essential crafting supplies. You'll need vibrant red or orange construction paper for the main body, along with a small piece of black paper for the eyes. Don't forget your trusty scissors, a reliable craft glue stick, and a pencil for drawing your shapes. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's form the main parts of your paper lobster. Begin by cutting a large, rounded oval from your red construction paper to serve as the body. For the impressive claws, cut two distinct, slightly curved shapes, ensuring one is a bit larger than the other for visual interest. Remember to leave a small, straight edge on each claw to create a tab for secure gluing to the body. Now it's time to give your lobster its distinctive legs and antennae. Carefully cut 10 thin, slightly curved strips from your red paper, each about 3 inches long. Glue 5 of these legs evenly along each side of the lobster's body, positioning them to look like they are ready to scuttle. For the antennae, cut 2 very thin, longer strips and attach them to the front of the body, near where the head would be. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches to bring your paper lobster to life. Cut 2 tiny black circles from your black paper and carefully glue them onto the front of the body for the eyes. You can also add small, decorative snips or tiny paper dots to the claws for extra texture. Once all the glue has thoroughly dried, your charming paper lobster is ready to be displayed proudly, perhaps on a shelf or as a fun decoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.